Subscribe to the Everything channel for latest updates. Press the bell icon to get notifications about my new videos. Like and share this video. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Everything channel. Today I am going to tell you about how to enable auto read more mode with thumbnail for your blogger posts in your blogger website without using edit HTML in templates. So let's start. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you still not subscribed, and like and share this video. So I open my blog. Here you can see it is my whole post showing on the blog. This is the blog URL, but it is showing whole post. So I just want to show you that, and here you can see it is my second post, but it is still showing whole post. I just want to disable it, so I go to my blogger post. You also go, then log into your blogger account and then go to themes, and in theme we don't have to enable edit HTML, but we have to go to themes, and this theme, search for this theme Contempo and apply this theme. Apply to blog, theme applied, so it shows, and I just click on view blog, and here you can see it is already showing read more mode, and here you can see it is advanced option for you post a comment and read more, as well as this posts. I have three posts posted and published it, so it is before web page, and this is after. So it has add-on function to show the first post thumbnail very big, and you can add gadgets to this section. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like and share this video.